Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today, as you can see, I have a brand new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner sitting right in front of me, and I cannot wait to unbox this. This is the Valentine's Day Be Happy box. At the time I'm filming this, I don't know any of the details of the release. So if you're seeing this video, that means that the release is imminent, like it's happening soon. So check the description box below. You can also follow me over on Instagram, and I of course will be updating on my feed and in my stories, so you can find out all of the details about how to get your hands on this box. But if you are wanting to see what's inside this Be Happy box, I am ready to open it up with you. So let's go. All right, so we will get started. It is kind of a different shape than past Be Happy boxes, so I'm excited to see what is in it. It says all of the heart eyes on the inside. It just has a very cute feel. It says living the sweet life, some really pretty tissue paper. I always try to save the tissue paper because you can use it in so many different craft projects. You always get a card in a Be Happy box that is easy to punch and actually include in your planner just for fun. This one says there's beauty all around, and then it tells you everything that is inside your box. But I want to kind of open it myself, so let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing are these Post-it notes. They seem to be punched to go straight into your Happy Planner. Let's open them up and see. These are really pretty. I believe, yep, they are on a transparent paper. So let me pull one off for you. They're very thin, which is a new kind of popular feel for Post-it notes. They are sticky, so they are supposed to stick in. It says show yourself some love. So what a fun way to kind of write yourself some sweet notes. Maybe write notes for your loved ones too, and just leave them posted around. I think that is super cute. So you get the Post-it notes, and then I'm kind of looking around to see, oh, okay. All right. Let's see what else is in here. Some washi tape, and it's skinny washi tape, and I'm all about it. I love when the Happy Planner releases washi tape. Like, I am all here for it. Let me pull this out and let's check out the washi tape. Okay, so we have 7 rolls of washi tape. All of them are that skinny washi. You have a black one, XOXO. This one looks like Cupid's arrows or little lollipops. Oh, that's what it is. Little heart lollipops. Rainbows, which I am all about. Yay for the rainbows. This one says love. Has all kinds of little doodles on it. Then we have the kissy lips right there. This one says feeling cute on it, and it's a pretty golden kind of mustard color. And this one is red with all kinds of little Valentine's doodles. So 7 different washi tapes, all Valentine's themed, which I am all about. That's super cute. We're going to save the sticker book, but we also get in here a notebook. Let's see what this one looks like. Let Love Bloom. You have pink plastic discs on this notebook, the red foil on the front. Oh, look at the inside. Dude, I kind of like the inside more. How cute would that be for the month of February to have as your cover? I love switching out my covers month to month, and so that's one of the reasons I love notebooks, because it's easy to switch out. All right, this is the dot grid layout. Let's just slide this off so we can check it out. Super cute. Look at Love Potion. I love that. And then the back has lots of the little doodles. Oh, that's pretty. It says you got this. This is red dot grid, and it has the red stripe. And on the back it says jot it down. How fun for Valentine's filler paper. Yes, that is adorable. All right, here's the second divider. Follow your heart. And on the back, the same kind of doodle feel. You got this again. And then send love and flowers. Oh, I love those flowers sketched out in there. Same on the back. Actually, this is a different, so this one, let's see. So the back of all the dividers, it's the same pattern, but in different colors. So you have the white background with the pink, and then you have the pink background with the red, and then the pink background with the white. So cute. And that's the back. And then just, oh, I love that little heart. That's adorable. So that's the notebook, Let Love Bloom. We also have sticker storage. What? Oh, it's Valentine's Day themed sticker storage. Let's check it out. Oh, it's red inside. You guys, this is a different kind of feel for sure. Pulling it out. Oh, that's cute. You guys, I love the different sticker storage. So I'm someone that's really into storage. I like changing it out on my desk. Like, I probably am not going to decorate my craft room for Valentine's Day like in a big way, but why not change out a sticker storage or two? How cute. Okay, so you have the sticker storage, super cute. And then, ta-da, new stickers that say Happy Valentine's Day. Let me move everything and we will do a flip through of this new sticker book. Okay, so we have a new sticker book, 802 pieces, Valentine's Day themed. Living the Sweet Life, show yourself some love. Love potion, look at all the little hearts as your bullets. That is super cute. Love will steer the stars. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love these colors, you guys. Look at this color palette right here. I am here for that. That is super cute. Ladies' night. I love it. Feeling cute. I think that one is adorable. Oh, I love these colors. These are on clear. We have the little record player and the florals. More clear. This life is so very lovely. That is very true. Here's your sweethearts, your little Valentine's Day hearts. Hat stuff, awesome. So much yes. That's how I feel about this box. So much yes. My favorite size box right here, kind of the medium size, and then some curved boxes. Oh, look at that red foil. Yes. Oh my goodness. You make it rain rainbows. I love that. Oh, that red foil. I'm here for that. That's super cute. Tons of phrase stickers. Living my best life. Eat cake for breakfast. Yeah. Put your heart into it. Life is so good. Kindness counts. Oh, so many good ones. Look at these little ones. So these are good for like keeping track of maybe steps or maybe certain like small reminders like bill due, something like that. I think these are super cute. Here's for your monthly layout. I love it. Valentine plans, mail out Valentines, Valentine party. Oh, I love when they look like the postcards. Appointment stickers right here. Some more double boxes. I sure do love this life of mine. You are something magical. Be happy, be bright, be you. Some more month stickers. Oh, these are great. This would be a great one for a monthly spread. Hopes, dreams, wishes, plans. So cute. Vertical boxes with a grid background and some sweet little icons. Yes, I love the side, like the long boxes. I use them all the time. Those will go fast. Alphas in the red foil, and then alphas in this ombre feel. Love that. Oh, yes. A whole sheet of boxes without the icons. You have the different colors that are included. Love that. Here's all your conversation hearts in foil, in conversation hearts without the foil. Some faux washi stickers. These are kind of half sidebar ones, which is fun because then you can layer them in different ways on your page. I'm loving the rainbows. Live a life filled with love. Look at all the little kisses. Circle stickers, all the plans, happy notes, so important, happy notes. Those are fun. All right, lots more phrase stickers. One kind word can change someone's day. There may be no thing greater than a life well loved. Oh, I love it. Love all of the inspirational words. I think those are awesome. I like this shape too, with the circle and then the extended out from there. More vertical boxes that are great for layering. Feeling the love, let love bloom. So last year I purchased last year's Valentine's Be Happy box, and I'm digging this particular book more. I love that phrase, love will steer the stars. That's unclear. Okay, so that is Love and Valentines, the 802-piece sticker book. So in the Valentine's Be Happy box, you get the sticker book, you get the sticker storage. Let me just pull that out over here. I'm not going to put it together yet, but you have the sticker storage, you have the notebook, you have 7 rolls of washi tape, and you have the post-it notes that are like translucent. So I think that is so pretty. And of course, the card letting you know everything that is in the box. Okay, so like I said earlier, if you are looking for the details of this box release, then make sure to check the description box or hop on over to Instagram, follow me, ScrappyWife blog, and check out my stories because I'm sure I have information over there. I will have a link in the description box below that will take you to this Be Happy box. I would really appreciate it if you plan on purchasing, if you would shop that link. It goes a long way to helping me run this YouTube channel, and it doesn't cost you any more. So if you're able to shop my affiliate link, I really, really appreciate it. I love this Be Happy box. I'm super pumped. I love the sticker book and the washi tape. I think those are my 2 favorite things. I'm super excited about those. I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Other than that, I hope that you absolutely have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.